Hi guys, welcome to my channel Neeraja's Astro, and today we are going to discuss about a very different topic, which is about your Lagna Lord, and their degree being associated with other planets. So if you're new to my channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can stay connected with me and my upcoming videos. So if your lagna, if your ascendant degree is very much close to the ascendant lord degree, then irrespective of ascendant lord being placed in 6th house, 8th house or 12th house, it will bring or make you a very strong person. It will bring a very charming and attractive personality to you. People will actually tend to get jealous of you if it's placed in 8th house or 12th house. But if the lagna lord is very closely associated with the ascendant degree, it will bring you a very powerful personality, and people will actually tend to get scared to you at times because your aura will be very strong. So if the planets being placed, any planets which is very much closely associated with the lagna lord degree, that planet plays a very important role in your life, especially during the transits. That planet will trigger certain houses, and based on that, your life will bring some changes. There will be a lot of changes in your life. For example, if Jupiter is very much close to the lagna lord's degree, for example, if your lagna lord is sun, it is close to Jupiter's degree, then it will bring a lot of prestige, and in how you're pursuing things, it will bring a lot of prestige to the way you communicate with people. There will be some authoritative speech, while you're talking with the other person. If Venus is being associated with Jupiter, and both the degrees are very much close to the ascendant lord degree, if Jupiter is the ascendant lord or Venus is the ascendant lord, any one of these is close to the degree of the ascendant lord, then it will bring a lot of knowledge in a person's life. This person will be always thinking about gaining knowledge. It could be related to spiritual knowledge, because here we are associated with Jupiter. So if Jupiter is your 8th house lord, then there will be a lot of change in the way you're pursuing things. Maybe you wanted to learn certain education, but suddenly certain things happen in your life, and then it is going to transform you into something else, and you would be pursuing some other education. So that is something which I have seen. If your lagna lord degree is very much close to the second house lord degree, and even if it's debilitated, this will bring huge money only after struggle. Initially, in initial days, this person has to struggle a lot in even saving a penny, but as the year passes, this person will understand how to play the trick, and they will try to save a lot of money in the later age. If the lagna lord's degree is very much close to the 4th house lord, 5th house lord or 9th house lord, then this person would actually enjoy a lot of luxurious life, and they will always have a guru to support them, or a loved ones to support them in their lifetime. But if what if the 4th house lord, 5th house lord and 9th house lord is placed along with the malefic? This person will land up with wrong kind of people who would always keep guiding them in a wrong way. Then later they would understand that it's only them who had to learn a lesson, and there would be some kind of karmic lessons this person has to, learn from certain people, and then they have to detach themselves from others. So if if the seventh house lord degree is very much close to the lagna lord degree, it means that you have already met this person in your past life. If fifth house lord is also associated with the seventh house lord and placed in seventh house, and the seventh house lord degree is very much close to the ascendant degree, that means you have met this person in past life, and in this lifetime this person is actually going to teach you a lesson. It can be good or bad based on how the seventh house lord is placed and what kind of planet is ruling your fifth house. So based on that, you will bear certain fruits. If the 11th house lord degree is very much close to the ascendant lord degree, it means that there is something which you have to fulfill in this lifetime, your certain wishes, or certain pending karma which you have left pending in past life, and in this lifetime one of your wishes are going to come true. You are going to play an important role in fulfilling that karma. So that is there, guys, a very short video for you all. If it did resonate with you, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will try to make some more different videos as such. Thank you.